Hi, today we're going to cover the break command in Ruby. Anyone who's done C++, C, Java will already be familiar with the break statement. So when you're in a loop, like a while loop, a for loop, a do loop, a case statement, if you type in the break command, the program will break when it encounters the break command, and if you give the break command like a condition to evaluate and that condition is true, it will break from that loop, and when it breaks from a loop it will not do the rest of the code within the loop, it will start to execute the code that comes after the loop. And so what I'll do is I'll show you with interactive. I'm going to make an integer, make it equal to 1, and I'm going to make a while state at while loop, and I'm going to x is less than 10, enter. I'm just going to put x to the screen, and I'm going to increment x by 1, and yeah, I'm going to end the while loop. You can see it's went from 1 to 9, it didn't go to 10 because 10 is not less than 10, 10 is equal to 10. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the same loop, but I'm going to put a break statement in it with an if statement. So what I'm going to do here is while, first I've changed x, so I'm going to put x back to 1, while x is less than 10. So beforehand it went to 9, but we're going to stop it at 4. So first we're going to do is put s x so we can see what it is. X increment by 1, and now we're going to add an if statement. So if x is equal to 4, break. And now we're going to end the if statement, and then we're going to end the while loop, and as you can see it went 1, 2, 3, instead of going to 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, it stopped because we put the break statement if x equals 4. And so what we can do is that we can do this with a until as well. Until, but we'll make sure that x is equal to 1 because we changed the value, until x is equal to 0, equal to 10. This is the condition is different because until and will are the opposite to each other. One is looking for the condition to be false, and one is looking for the condition to be positive. And that's why I've done equals to 10 rather than less than 10. Right, and so we will do put s x, we'll increment x this way. It's the same thing as x plus equals 1. Plus plus x is an increment, it's going to increment it by 1. And then we're going to do an if statement to break it 5 this time. Yeah, but I'm going to change it if. I'm going to do the condition first. I'm going to x. I'm going to break if x is equal to, we're going to stop at 4, so I'm going to 5 is equal to 5, right? And so this is going to break the if statement. If the if statement here is the same as this one here, but I've changed and I've shown this in another tutorial that it can separate the condition from the action that is to be executed. And so end, enough out the arrow, see, go back up, see if I can see this one. I never came out of the root for some reason, yeah, I'll do it again. X. Yeah, maybe my increment didn't work, I'm not too sure, but it should have. Yeah, I'm doing it until x is equal to 10. X. And I'm going to do this way. X equals x plus 1. There's many different ways of doing things. So that's going to increment it by 1 at a time. And now we're going to do the if statement. We're going to, it could have been the break, it was this long. If x is equal to 5. Yeah, done it. I don't know what I've done the last time. It must have been the plus x increment. Yeah, so it's like until x equals 10, and it got to 4 and it stopped because x was equal to 5, and that was true. The while would have waited for a false statement, and you can see that I used a different if. The if is different from the first one, and I'm going to do a different one again just to show. I've already shown this, but just so that you've got it again. Right, so x is equal to 1. Right, so while x is less than 10, put this x incremented by 1, and I'm going to do a different one. So x is equal to 7 this time, and then, and we can all do it all in one line this way with the then keyword. And so I want to break, so the break keyword, end the if and end the while loop, and then it stopped at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's a break statement and how to use it and to get it off a loop. So thank you again, thank you very much.